Hey, what's up, everyone? Welcome to Tuck Notes. This is Sunday, September 4th, and I just tried to do this on my computer, but I can't, so I'm doing it this way. I'm still in the archaic mode, but this is Tesla. All of this. Where's the cursor? Right here. All right. So if you look at this, look at how this kind of started going up. It went like this. Like, watch this. See how sharp that went up right there? And then it corrected itself sharply down. And then watch this slowly play its way out. And you watch it, the momentum. So sharp. There's 2020. That's when I totally screwed up and should have held. And now we're going up into the 700s, 800s, thousands. And correcting ourselves back down again. And looking like we're dipping down, up, and then it held itself right there. Went back up again, kind of held it, dropped, teardrop down, and then teardrop, caught itself right there. And here, check this out, look at the legs right here. The left one, this is what I'm talking about, the one on the left is lower, and the one on the right is higher. And when you have this type of situation where the leg on the left is lower and the one on the right is higher, this can actually help push this. Having this side lower and this side higher will actually push this stock up. And otherwise, this is another possible, well, this is from what I've seen in the past, is when this and this leg are the same number, then you have a double bottom, and that can turn into a bull market. But that most likely, I don't know if that'll happen or not, but due to, like, if you look at all of this starting from down here and it's working its way up, what happened in the past, this is the past, is reflective of what will happen in the future. And so what I do sometimes is I look at this picture and I kind of find where the market cycle started and stopped through one phase, and then I kind of reverse it in my mind, like take this, flip it around to this side. It's just like the technique I was talking about, taking your phone, holding it upside down and reading the graph from right to left. And you have an idea of what to expect in the future. And so what we can expect in the future, seen like this, is that's there. That could be, this could be playing off of this right here. So things that happened a year ago can affect what happened now. And so in the next weeks, September, October. I could see potentially Tesla dropping down further and down to like 100. One will have like another one of these, or it's not going to do it super fast. Like, just see the trend, how it's moving like this sideways but slowly down. That's when it's gonna, I think, could happen. We still have this to take care of right here. This actually, this might be this right here. But see how it dipped right here? That was a buying opportunity. That was a buying opportunity. And the overall trend is going from, where's the cursor, right here, up. But that doesn't mean that it's going to go up like this really quick. We did that right here and kind of right here. This was a little bit slower, drawn out process, but this is where a lot of big investors made money, tons of money. They invested here and then they sold up here. And now we are back down to here. And but if you're still watching this, $270 is a good price to buy Tesla stock. It's a really good deal. Even though the stock's going down, to catch a, they call it to try to catch a falling knife. And so you try to catch the falling knife by the stock going down, and you think it's going to hit, this point. So you put in a limit buy and cross your fingers that it's going to do that. Well, I think with what we just saw on the screen, this trend in 2020, we had a big up and then down, and now we kind of went diagonally up slowly, and I feel like we're going diagonally down slowly. But I feel, and I think I've seen in the notes of Elon's tweets that by the end of this month, I'm just making this is just, there's no like, no one's telling me this information. I'm just thinking of it in my head. But we could see Tesla by the end of the month in the low 200s, if not in the 199 to 150. And there is a launch that's happening that is somehow maybe correlated. I don't know. I think so. Elon might think so, but other people don't. But November 6th is a launch called Polaris Dawning. And so how can you interpret that title? Polaris is the star, and it's whether it's north or south, something is dawning, it's coming awake. I'm thinking of that as coming up. And so maybe the time to buy Tesla for this price, at this moment, could be a good deal, but it could show also that if there's this thing they got, Polaris Dawning, coming on November 6th, that there's a window, and that window is September and October to buy Tesla before there possibly could be a run-up. I'm not here to tell you to buy Tesla. I mean, I'm here to just educate us on this, and to average your price buying down. That's how you want to win on this. Patience is going to give you the best deal, not impatience. For example, I went and bought 17 shares of Tesla stock. I got lucky and I bought it right after Kathy Woods had bought it at 620. So I was able to ride up and collect a little bit of money, but then it dropped again, or it got split. And so I don't want to make this a long drawn out deal, but there are, like, you have to have a plan. One must have a plan when they're doing this trading, and have an idea of, like, okay, $100 for Tesla stock share. That sounds pretty reasonable. You know, and here's the other thing is, as Tesla stock is going down and down, if one keeps buying more shares, you get your next paycheck and you buy another share, or you wait 2 weeks and then you buy another share, if it goes more down. The other argument, this is great, this cookies, if you're still watching this, is that we might have already hit the bottom and now we're going up. And so 270 is the best deal, or there might be a little bit more room, 243 or 250, 258, and then it could go up to $300. I do see a little pull back, pull up, and then pull down. So there are chances to make some swing trades and collect more money to buy more shares. Or you just continually buy shares as you collect money, because this is like, I don't know how long this period will be, but hopefully it won't be too long. But I do see what happening with this Tesla stock. It's 12 minutes already. You guys are not paying attention now. But basically, this thing is going to go to a point where it's going to go like this. Boom. It's going to, like, hit it down and then go up. It's going to go hit down and then go up and then down, up and then down, up. Boom. So it's going to kind of like do this, what we see right here. Anyways, if this video is helpful, like the button, push the like button, and if you like these videos, subscribe to the channel. I do put a lot of time and effort into this, and so I really do appreciate anyone that subscribes to this channel or actually looks at any of these videos and maybe believes in some of the things that I'm saying. But everyone has their own opinion and choice. So I love all of you guys, and I hope you have a beautiful day.